afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in where
my camera overheated, so you're gonna see a difference in color and obviously a difference in the frame. So this is KitchenAid. It comes with the grater and it comes with the container. So I thought that was really cool. I think this might be our last kitchen item, guys. I think this might be our last kitchen item. Yeah, this is a glass casserole dish, a cake dish. Yeah, so this one's really nice. I can use it because I used to love making salmon when I was in New York. That was one of my favorite dishes to make. What else? Salmon and baked chicken, and you can also, you know, get fish. Put it in the foil paper, season it up, put it in the foil paper, stuff it with whatever, all that stuff. Put it in the foil paper and then lay it in here with some water, and then you can bake your fish that way. But yeah, I'm just trying to put these on gently. And I didn't apologize for my look. I'm about to wash my hair, so do not mind that. So yeah, I think that wraps it up for the kitchen. If I see any other kitchen stuff, I will bring it to your attention. Oh, I lied. I lied 2 times over because I have a couple more things. We have this 16-piece porcelain dinnerware set. So as you can see, it comes with the big plate, comes with the little plate, the small plate, bowl, and the mug. Yeah. Oh, I don't see the price. I don't see the price. Yeah, so it serves 4. So it's a 4 set. I'm not good at math, but it serves 4. So everybody will have a plate, everybody will have a bowl, everybody will have a small appetizer plate, let's call it that, and everybody will have a mug. So yeah. I'm gonna put that back, it's very heavy. We also have, I'm not gonna take anything out of this one because you guys know what it looks like. I'm gonna take the kettle out though. We got this kettle. This kettle, I think mommy said it was $15. And mind you, I already saw these ones because I showed you guys the Hamilton Beach one in a previous vlog. That one was literally over $2,000. I think it was actually, it was like $15,000. $15,000. Anyways, this is, it looks just like the Hamilton one, but this is ovenette. Isn't it cute? Grandma has one of the Hamilton Beach ones. And here is the base. So it looks like this. Yeah, so this is really nice. It's actually really beautiful. So we're gonna put this aside. We're gonna put this aside. Sorry guys. There we go. We also got some, this is not for the kitchen, this is just regular washcloth. Some regular washcloth. These were $6.99 from Homegoods. This was $4.99 from Marshall's. I don't know why so much ants. I need to get ants powder because Portmore just, well, all of Jamaica just full of ants. I'm glad it's only an ants problem though, because I could have easily had cockroach problem. Like I could be the cleanest person in the world and have a cockroach problem or have termite problem. So Jamaica is full of bugs, but yeah. So I'm gonna get some ants powder from the hardware store. This is what I wanted to show you. Since the product spilled in the container, it kind of bleached through or bled through, the red bled through. I don't mind. It's gonna be cleaning up stuff. Like, I do not mind. I'm not picky. I'm not one of those type of people. This is $4.99 from Homegoods, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pack, 6 pieces. Since this mainly will be in the kitchen / the living room, I also got a Swifter. Since I have all tiles, the product that bled through smells on this, and it smells really good. She also bought some strips, because they come together, and they're meant for different things. So this one is meant for tile and wood, and I think they have, you know, different Swiffers for different materials that it will be cleaning. Yeah, she said once this runs out, all I can do, and this is a tip for you if you live in Jamaica and if you want to order a Swiffer but you don't want to keep reorder the pack, what you can do is cut up an old t-shirt, and literally it pinches, it clamps in. This clamps in. So cut an old t-shirt like this, an older one, and do your deed. And then what you can do, if you want to be recycle friendly, you wash it and reuse it. Simple. We'll put this back. So, oh my goodness guys, I'm actually not even done with the kitchen. I can move these out the way so I can finish with the kitchen. We have a 16-piece glass set with these small glass and with the big glass. So yeah, I'm gonna try find a price. I can't wait to unpack. I'm not lie, I've used 2 of these already and I really like them. They basically look like this, and then the other one is just bigger like that. I've already used 2. I got some wine glasses as well. I had my wine glasses up there that I had, and I just told mommy, I was like, just pack up my wine glass and send it to me. But no, mommy is mommy and she bought new wine glass, but they look so good. Actually, hold on, this is what they look like. They look much better than my wine glasses. I've already used this already. They look much better than mine. Don't they look really good? I like the shape. Mine was just a regular like shape like that, but these come down more like a V. Mine was more of a U shape. It's beautiful. Okay, let's continue with the haul. Mommy was pushing me to make this video too, so she's like, you gotta film this, like you have to film this. So I'm like, okay mommy. She doesn't really watch my videos, but mommy will support me. She'll share my links. She's just not a YouTube person, which my sister isn't a YouTube person either, but they'll share my links and tell their friends that their friends have to watch me. So we do have some of these outlet things because there's not much outlets in the house. It's an older house. I'm going to put this out the way. My back will kill me, guys. My back is killing me. So I have a very long extension cord. I've already unpacked it because Dwayne needed it for the drill. It's 16 gauge, and I think this one is, I'm trying to find out how long, 25 feet. So it's lime green and it's 25 feet long, which is really nice. Since I unpacked it, I'm just showing you the packaging. Then I have 2 of these, and then I have 1 of this. Yeah. Since I'm basically done with everything on this side, I'm going to show you this tray that she saw. She's like, this would be so cute for your room. So I'm like, thank you, mother. It says, hello there, gorgeous. So she got 2, and they were $10 each, but like I said, there's probably more discount on them. So the two of these. Let's move on. So right in front of me we have a shower head, a new shower head. Trying to keep all the paperwork together, but it basically looks like this. And what I'm seeing on the paper, it comes with 6 different settings. So everything that you're seeing up here is 6 different settings. I'm gonna put that right here, so I don't want to lose anything before I get to put it on. I've showed you guys all of this already. We have a garbage bin. It's just one of the little step-up ones. Yeah. There's another bin, but I left it in my uncle's car. Well, his van. He used his van to help bring the shipment to the house. So I left the bin because, like I said, one of the cleaning supplies leaked out on everything. One of the soaps, so everything could wash out. But it was in the bin, and I left the bin in the back of the van, so I need to get that. It's one of those highest vans. Oops. I'm gonna reach over here and show you guys the toilet paper holder. This was $10 from At Home. Yeah, so it's really cute. Just hang on your tissue and then storing the rest. Oh, sorry guys. And then this is a shower caddy, because there's not much storage in the bathroom. You guys will see that in the empty apartment tour. There's not much storage in the bathroom, so this will be perfect to put over the shower head. And this was $9.99 from Homegoods. See, it's a shower caddy. Then there is this, some curtain rods. Some of them are already up, so I can't show you guys that, but simple curtain rods van. This was $2.49. And then this will be going over, ow, my finger. This will be going over the bathroom door to hang up your towels and, you know, things like that. But it doesn't just have to be for the bathroom. This was $7.99 from At Home. You can hang up coats, hat, purses, towels, and much, much more. So it's really cute. I like it. I tested it over the front door too, just in case I wanted to put it there for somebody to hang up their jacket if they come in. But who really wearing jacket that much in Jamaica? Seriously. I mean, they are, but you know. This was $9. It was clearance, $9, and it's so cute. I know it looks like old-time-ish or whatever, but I have a bathroom set, and the bathroom set is like a mixture of blues, teal, blues. So this will be so cute. It's still really cute. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it's a 4-piece set, and like I said, it was $9. This was from, I don't know where it's from. One of the places I told you about. These, oh, forget a patina, guys. Sorry, there is noise outside. These now are going to be used for the clothing line. It's some rope. Yeah, so I can just use them, tie them around the T, and then connect it to the other T or connect it to the line. I'll show you guys when I'm tying them up. So yeah, I can finally unpack this. Since we are in the bathroom, there's a plunger. Simple little plunger. This plunger, the price is gone. It wiped off. There's also, I need to find a base for this because it didn't come with a base, or at least I'm gonna have to talk to mommy and see what it didn't come with a base. It's a clean, you know, again with the blues. Guys, I completely forgot to show you this pot. This is a Dutch oven pot. I'm not gonna take it out the container because that's gonna be too much, but it's a Dutch oven pot. It was, I don't see a price, but yeah, it is a red enameled cast iron Dutch oven, 5.5 quarters. So my friend, she's been baking so much on Instagram, and I got the baking pan, so I'm like, oh my god girl, you gotta tell me your recipes because I got baking pans now. And she's like, you need a Dutch oven, not a baking pan, you need to get a Dutch oven. So I was like so she said she's gonna send me the link to the YouTube videos, so when she sent me the link, I'll also post them down below. And what I thought was so cute, they're different, I believe. It's a different brand. Oopsies. But the red match. So as you can see, the red match. So that was so cute. And like I said, red is all red and blues and gold. That's like the whole theme of the house, and white. And then when you're counting the yellow wall and the lime green wall, like it ties in. It's a nice color. Can you believe that music is coming all the way out from the main road? Like that person's car is really loud. But it's not a loud, I don't live in a loud community. It's very quiet. I barely see anybody walking. You see a lot of kids outside on the field though. Whew. So now on to some of the cleaning supplies. I think I've gotten through all the bathroom stuff. I have bathroom rugs. I have rugs. I will show you the rugs because they were $5. Cleaning supplies. I don't need no further explanation. Cleaning supplies. Even though I already bought a toilet bowl cleaner, I got two. Got some disinfecting wipes. Got some wood polish. I will be staining the wood. I won't be spray painting it. I won't be painting it. I'll be staining it. So I got some wood cleaner that can also clean off the table downstairs. Very good. And then this is one of the two products. This is to clean the tile. It's still kind of wet in the bag, but it's Ajax. One of the other one. Yeah, the other one to this filled. So like I said, it's just some simple soap. Whew. I think that might be everything, guys. This is a very long video, but I think that's everything. Actually, let me go get the rugs. Just really quick, this is one of the juicers. It is on Amazon, and I believe it was like $50 or something. $60, around that price. It was no more than $60. There's also some hangers. They're velvet, not necessarily velvet, but velvet material. There's 50 of them. Yeah. Show y'all the rugs. So there's this colorful one, which I know you all have a colorful rug from your childhood. This is $5. I have two of these for $5. This is what I'm telling you about the kitchen rug. This is what it looks like. So there's two more. So this goes in front of, let's put this in front of the stove, because there's one bigger one and then there's another one that's like this size, but I think it might be bigger. But yeah, like I said, a 3-piece set. And then there's this. I'm gonna move these right back where they belong. There's this rug as well. This white one. It's similar to the texture of the color one, but it's black and white. This one was $14 from Homegoods. Probably cheaper, but I'm just letting you know that's how much it was. So I'm actually really tired. I'm thirsty. I need to drink some water. But that is the haul. I'm so sorry. I believe this haul is probably over 30 minutes long, but I hope you enjoy seeing all the things that I'll be having in my house. I cannot wait to put the place together more. My sister, this is gonna make me sound even more spoiled, but my family loves me and I love my family, and I'll do anything for my family and they would do anything for me. But my sister wants to get me a couch as a housewarming gift. I asked for paintings. I asked for like, there's this one website that I was looking at that sell collage images. Like, you know, they send you probably anywhere from 6 to 12 pictures, and you can organize it in whatever way, like on this wall in whatever way you want. And it was like $40, and that's what I asked. That's what I wanted. But she was like, how can you put pictures on your wall when you don't have somewhere for people to sit yet? I'm getting you a couch. And I'm like, thank you. I'm extremely grateful, guys. Don't ever think that these things come just as me being me. I do whatever my family asks me to do. Like, if something needs to be done, you can count on me to do it. That's the type of person I am. And I'm extremely grateful. Don't think I'm boasting about, I should have put this in the beginning. I'm gonna put it in words. Don't think I'm boasting about any of these things. Like, I'm gonna work these things off, and I'm extremely grateful for every single little thing I've gotten, down to the last nail, down to Dwayne's help. Like, Dwayne came and helped me screwing these things. So and even Chad, I don't want to leave out Chad because then he's gonna be like, you left me out. Even Chad, he helped me deliver, like bring over a lot of the furniture that I have here. So I don't want to come off as ungrateful, because I'm so extremely grateful, so blessed. And you know what? Yeah. Yep. And I also got curtains. I don't have them with me. Some of them are upstairs, some of them are already hung up. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, please go follow Juice to JA. I will be making juices soon. I'll be making them available to you guys. I'll also put a post in the community post to remind you all. But I will be doing a haul for all the things I'm selling clothing wise. So I have some Clarks, I have some Polo men's shirts, I have everything. I have Crocs, I have back to school pencils, books, back to school shoes for females. I would have done little boy back to school shoes, but we don't have any. But I do have Clark's back to school things. So if you want, please let me know. I will do a haul. I mean, I will be doing a haul either way, but I don't want this video to be any more longer. I think it's gonna be like a good 40-minute long video, and I don't want that. So please like this video, comment down below, subscribe. Let's get to 20K by the end of summer. And yeah, bye guys, thank you very much for watching.